Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, more questions about the decision by the House Speaker to return 2 reports to the Office of the Auditor General. The documents were reportedly sent back to the Auditor General on Friday, 3 days after the opposition questioned the performance of the House Speaker Juliet Holness. The unprecedented walkout by government members during the opposition leader's budget presentation on Tuesday is still a talking point for stakeholders. This is what development economist Dr. Chris Stokes made of the situation.
We're in extra time now. I think how it turns out depends on the resolution of outstanding questions now. Have all reports been tabled? Was the return of the Auditor General's report tactical so that one could say that there are no outstanding reports? These are questions that need to be answered.
Tuesday's dramatic move was the latest in a series of back and forth between the government and the opposition over the Speaker of the House, Juliet Holness's performance in tabling parliamentary reports. On Friday, General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, Dr. Horace Chang, said there were no outstanding reports from the Integrity Commission or the Auditor General to be tabled in Parliament. Dr. Chang also dismissed suggestions that the House Speaker was deliberately delaying the tabling of reports. However, in a surprising twist, Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis disclosed that 2 reports that were sent to Parliament on December 28 and January 29 were returned on Friday by Mrs. Holness. The Auditor General also indicated that the documents will be sent back to Parliament on Monday.
The fact that the Attorney General has not given a reason as to, why she took the position that she took, all of this could still go sideways for the current administration.
In regards to whether the opposition leader, Mark Golding, was wrong for raising concerns about the Speaker of the House being the wife of the Prime Minister and questioning her performance,
it seems far more credible that now that she is in, that her decisions and her manner of conducting herself suggests a degree of impartiality, of rather partiality that goes beyond the normal partiality of speakers, and that seems to me to be the issue. It has no credibility to me to say that it should not have been done in the first place from where you are sitting.
On the issue of the relationship, I don't think it's a good idea. And I think the fact of the walkout is, in fact, evidence of this. The issue of the capacity or the decisions taken, quite frankly, based on some events that have happened maybe in the last 3 or so days, kind of cause you to question.
Dr. Stokes and attorney Nicole Gordon were speaking on Radio Jamaica's That's a Wrap program with Earl Moxham on Sunday. And the opposition is